Welcome to the course for chocolate lovers only. Course, we will be making 4 delicious chocolatey treats. The first one are sweet potato brownies. Next up are peanut butter cups. Third, a dairy-free mocha. And last, avocado pudding. Like most of my courses, all of the recipes here are dairy-free and gluten-free. If you want more info on how to bake without dairy and gluten or cook without dairy and gluten, please see my other courses. I have a few of them. Like always, the recipes in this course are easy, they're delicious, they don't require lots of crazy ingredients, maybe a few that you don't have on hand because we do use alternative flours. In this course, we'll be using coconut flour to be exact. There are 3 ways that I bake with chocolate to ensure that it's dairy-free. Number 1, I make my own chocolate, and I typically do that with a high-quality cocoa. I've been using Camino for a while just because it's easy to find in my local grocery store, but high quality cocoa and then some honey. And that combo makes a really good chocolatey flavor, but quality ingredients make a big difference, especially when we're baking gluten and dairy free. So that's my number 1. My number 2 go-to are Enjoy Life chocolate chips. So they only have 3 ingredients: brown sugar, cocoa mass, and cocoa butter. Cocoa butter isn't dairy, it's actually from the cocoa bean. So they are a good go-to. I really like them. They can be quite expensive. So buy them on sale, look for a cheaper option. You can maybe order them online. But Enjoy Life chocolate chips are really awesome. These are the mini ones. They also make a dark chocolate chip, which is good. Then lastly, if you can find a good quality chocolate bar, the higher the cocoa amount in it, typically the lower the rest of the ingredients. So if you get a dark chocolate bar like this 85% cocoa bar, it won't have any milk products. So the ingredients are literally cocoa mass, cocoa powder, cocoa butter, brown sugar, and vanilla bean. So the darker the chocolate, the less chance of it having any milk products in it. If you're okay with having dairy, like knock yourself out, use whatever kind of chocolate you want. But I personally feel better when I avoid dairy products. So these are my go-tos when I'm baking anything chocolate, but I need it to be dairy-free. I look forward to seeing you in class. Let's get started.